Part 2, ain't too much to do. All right, we have Stedman starting it off right now. He's over here at the first cone, and he's doing his jumping jacks. And we have Eric over there doing his gorilla squats. Yes, indeed. I'm telling you, these brothers know how to handle their business. Good job, baby. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. All the way through, family. All the way through. That's what you want. Yes, sir. Good job, baby. Look at the intensity of the long wolf. Yes, indeed, that's what you want. You want that intensity. You want that gaze in the eyes. Yes, indeed, that fierce look. Don't want to be on the opposite end of it, though. Switch it. Yes, indeed. Wouldn't want to make these brothers mad. No. All the way through. It's all about achievements, baby. All about achievements. Yes, that's what we want. Beautiful day right here in the neighborhood for it. And that's how we do. Get it in. Oh yeah, I like that drive, baby. We can and we will. Achieve our goals. Yes, sir. That's what it's all about. Sted, baby. Proud of you. Let's get it all the way. Yes. All the way through, baby. Not too much longer. Switch it. Good job, Eric. Both of these brothers are making great headway, I'm telling you. Making it look easy. All the way easy. I don't want to make it look like I'm being too easy, though. You know how I do. It's all about achievements. We got to get it right. Yes. All the way. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's keep it going. Oh, yeah. Not too much longer, y'all. Going into the 5-minute switch. Yeah, you're right. This one drill to get you right. This triangle drill is constant movement. It's cardio. So you're getting a lot of body movement. So believe me, it's there. It's worth it. You got it, baby. You got it. All the way through. Let's get it, Stedman. You got it, baby. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta believe. Gotta have that tenacity, the will to keep on going. I believe in you, family. Yes, indeed. Welcome this brother on his first day. Much love to my brother. Yes, indeed. Love you, Sted. Keep it going, baby. Let's go. Let's achieve those goals. Let's go, Eric. Got it, baby. 5th day. Love my brothers. Yeah, you're right. All about achievements. That's what I'm talking about. That dead-on concentration and fierce competitiveness. Yes, sir. Switch. That's what I'm talking about. Try to get both brothers in a shot at the same time, you know? Oh, yeah. This is interesting, y'all. I'm telling you. This will get you. This will get you right. You gotta really believe. Gotta have the intensity to take back your life. Because that's what it's all about. Taking back your life. Good job, Sted. First day, y'all. You would have never believed that. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. All the way through, y'all. Switch. Yes, sir.